In this video, I will walk you through a detailed SnackTV app review to see how this short-form drama platform stacks up against mainstream streaming services. When you first dive into the comparison, the most immediate contrast is the snackable nature of the content versus traditional long-form television. While a typical streamer offers hour-long episodes, SnackTV is built for quick consumption with binge-worthy microdramas. In the interface, you will notice a streamlined navigation menu that prioritizes user history and direct access. Features like playback history and a personalized collection section make it easy to jump back into a story, which is a significant trade-off compared to apps that bury your recently watched list under layers of recommendations. The platform utilizes a coin-based system for refills, allowing you to pay for exactly what you watch instead of committing to a massive monthly overhead. As we look at the standout features, the library leans heavily into popular tropes like the billionaire taxi driver or the telepathic tycoon boyfriend. These titles highlight a major contrast in storytelling. SnackTV focuses on high-stakes, fast-paced emotional beats rather than slow-burn character development. For viewers who want instant gratification, titles like The Greatest Man in History or After Rebirth Became the Wealthiest provide that specific fantasy fulfillment. The app also includes practical tools like a Q&A section and clear feedback channels, which is a nice touch for maintaining a smooth user experience. If you enjoy dramatic twists and rapid-fire storytelling, this app wins for the use case of killing time during a commute or a short break. It offers a very focused niche compared to broader entertainment hubs. Thanks for watching the review. Be sure to let me know in the comments which drama sounds the most interesting to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more app deep dives.